Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through a huge PUSHEEN Primark haul, so keep watching to find out what I got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through a huge PUSHEEN Primark haul. PUSHEEN is that little cat guy. He was kind of one of the first gifts around. He was used on Facebook a lot and I thought he was so cute, and I love that Primark have now done a collaboration with PUSHEEN, and PUSHEEN stuff is everywhere. The homeware, accessories, stationery, it's all over Primark at the moment and I absolutely love it, and I thought I'd share my huge haul with you guys today. If you guys are liking my haul videos, then please do hit that subscribe button and let me know that you like the videos. Of course, give me a big thumbs up and comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this. But without further ado, let's get started on this really fun and adorable PUSHEEN haul. I don't think I've done a more cute haul. Obviously Disney is so cute, but this stuff is just I love the pastel colours. So the first item in this haul is PUSHEEN bunting, and if you know me and my videos, you know I'm obsessed with bunting. I always have loads and loads of bunting in my, especially in my baking tutorials, and when I saw these I thought they were so cute and I just had to pick them up because they were only €2. Can you believe €2 for these? So you know what, even if I only use them once, I think it's great value. You actually can't see what's on the back. Like normally sometimes with bunting I might show you like the variations of the bunting and what's in it. So let's open it up and actually see what's inside. I was really excited to see when I was in the store. I was like, oh my god, what else could be on these? So you've got one there, it says parties equals free food. I love that actually, because yeah, parties, the best part of parties, obviously if it's your birthday and you get presents, that's fantastic, but the best part of parties is definitely the free food. What else have we got? Oh my god, we have a little PUSHEEN and a burger, a PUSHEEN dreaming of a pizza, we have a PUSHEEN with a little donut there, and then I think it just repeats itself. Yeah, PUSHEEN free food at parties, and then the same again. So this will be a perfect little party bunting that you can use if you're having a PUSHEEN themed birthday party, or you just want to decorate your room with PUSHEEN, or you just want to feel festive all throughout the year with some really cute decorations. I absolutely love these, and they're actually really long. I wonder, does it say how long it is? I guess maybe like 2 meters. Oh, it's actually 3 meters long. So actually you're getting 3 meters of PUSHEEN bunting for only €2. So a bargain there, and I absolutely love it. I'll have to wrap that up so that when I use it it'll be nice and tidy. But anyway, moving on to the next item in my haul. And I saw these and I just had to get them. I thought it was a really cute set. Look at this. It is a PUSHEEN pajama set, and it is shorts pajama set, and it actually says oh, stay magical. I love that, the way they use all the puns and the play on words for the PUSHEEN collection. And of course you've got the little kind of PUSHEEN shorts here. He's a little unicorn, he's got a little unicorn tail, you've got the stars and the moon, and then the same down here. Of course he's probably like a wizard, so maybe they were taken from the Harry Potter collection in Primark, you know, getting a bit of influence from the unicorn and then the little wizard, and stay magical. Magical. It's actually kind of hard to say that. Imagine saying that 3 times fast. Stay magical. Oh, no, it just turns back into magical. Anyway, so these are absolutely adorable PUSHEEN pajamas, and they were only €7, sorry. And they actually remind me of the other pajama set I got in my a recent Disney Primark haul, which were Daisy Duck and Minnie Mouse were on them, and they were also a short set. I just love the short set for summer. I think they're really great if you're going on holidays. These are really cheap ones that you can kind of fold up really nicely, put them in your case. They're not going to take up too much room, and they're going to keep you nice and cool when you're sleeping during the summer. Hopefully in Ireland we get some hot weather that I can actually get use out of all these shorts pajamas that I'm buying. But if not, they'll do me well on holidays. Okay, so moving on to the next item, and I thought these were adorable. I just had to pick them up when I saw them. They actually had loads of different variations. They had about 3 different variations of these PUSHEEN socks. You get 3 in the pack. But I picked these ones up because they're all kind of like sweets themed. So the first one there, of course, you can see little PUSHEEN, and he's got like a dollop of cream or frosting or whatever you want to say on his head. He's got the little sprinkles. Is PUSHEEN a boy or a girl? Let's go for girl, or maybe it's unisex, I'm not really sure. Anyway, whatever I say, don't mind me if I'm wrong. Anyway, so yeah, the little frosting on the head, and of course I'm a baker, you may know from some of my other videos. So I loved the fact that this is like the sprinkles and the frosting. Then the second one, you've got all these kind of little Pusheen ice cream cones there. And yeah, I love the little cream colour and the lilac. I just love the pastel colours in the Pusheen collection as well. I think they're really sweet. I'm obsessed with pastels. And the last one is one of my favourites. It is Macaroons and little Pusheen there. How cute is he? I love making macaroons. I actually was making them today, and it was on my Insta stories. So you can check me out on Instagram to keep updated on all the stuff that I bake, along with my hauls, of course. I think they're really cute, and they're actually not just like normal sock liners like the small ones. They're actually proper like big socks. So you're getting good value for your money there. $3.50 for 3 fabulous socks. There's even a bit of glitter in the first one here. What else will I show you next up in the haul? Oh, I think I'll show you this guy. So this is adorable, and of course the pom-pom. I can't get enough of pom-poms. Like if there's pom-poms and anything, I'm instantly drawn to it. A handbag, a purse, a watch, a necklace, earrings. I have pom-pom earrings, would you believe? And so this was only $3.50, so the same price as the socks. So if you've only got $3.50 in your bank account or in your purse, then this is going to be great because you can get one of these. And this little Pusheen one, again, it's kind of themed with the kind of sweets. You've got Pusheen eating a little blue ice cream down there. Then you've got Pusheen. Oh, is that Pusheen? Oh no, I think that's just Pusheen's friends. They're a little bit different than Pusheen. Eating an ice lolly, and then the last one, he's tucking into an ice cream sundae. He must be feeling hungry. And it's kind of like a see-through jelly case. I love it because it's kind of a little bit old school as well. And I was thinking maybe if I don't have any pencils and stuff to put in here, that I could put my makeup brushes in there, because you're going to be able to, or even actually I think I'll put my lip liners in there, because I never have place for my lip liners or lipsticks like when I'm going away. They just get mixed up with all my other makeup, and this would be great because I could actually see what's in the bag when I'm looking for it. Yeah, so really cute. And of course the little pom-pom is adorable. The next item actually goes with that, and like this is what drew me over to the stationery section. Ah, look at the pom-pom. So you get 2 pom-poms, and these of course go together. There's actually a little notebook as well, but didn't really like the notebook that much. I thought these were better, and I really wanted these instead. This was only €2. It's actually a pen, and it has this gorgeous little turquoise pom-pom on the top. Then all along the thing you've got actually Pusheen is on holidays there, it looks like. He's got some sunglasses on, there's like Pusheen on eating ice cream, palm trees, flowers, ice lollies. Really, really cute. They actually have kind of Powerpuff Girl versions of these. The pom-poms are, and actually it's quite a sturdy pom-pom. You know, if you're sitting beside somebody in school and they're annoying, you could just give them a little tap on the head and say, hey, behave. Because yeah, so really, really nice. Or maybe don't do that, your teacher might give out to you. So really nice, really cheap for only €2. And as I said, Pennies have loads of stationery stuff and lots of Pusheen stuff as well. Okay, so moving on to the next item, which I love. It's a Pusheen pillow, and I love that it's actually, what do they call it? Meow Made? Is it Meow Made? I think it is Meow Made. There's like, obviously as I said, from like the first, or from the pajamas, you have like Stay Meowgical. So they try to do those different things, and I think it's, I think it is like Meow Made. I think that's what they say, and I think that's so cool. They've obviously got a unicorn version as well, but I thought this pillow was so nice and I just had to get it. I love the lilac, I love the turquoise, and it's a little Pusheen in there. She's got we'll say it's a girl because she's a mermaid. She's got a star, of course, in her hair, or on her ear. And she's got the little mermaid tail there, and this was €8. So I think that's quite good actually. I think the Harry Potter pillow that I got, the Hedwig one, was around the same, so you can check him out in my Harry Potter haul if you haven't seen that. I got a cushion. And here's another one now for the collection. I think this will go really well with the rest of my bedding. What do you think? I'll pop that back there. And then I'll move on to the last item in my haul, and this is probably one of my faves, and it is a swimsuit. It's the Pusheen swimsuit. Oh, it actually says Permade. What was I saying? What was I saying? Meow Made. I think I just made up my own Pusheen word. Meow Made, Permade, same difference. Anyway, so here we go with the turquoise again. You've got the lilac in there, and you've got Pusheen, but this is a different, more of a different version, because her hair is there waving in the wind in this one. She's got a bit of hair to add into the Pusheen look. Of course you've got the little tail there, the mermaid tail, just like on the pillow. And yeah, I just thought this was gorgeous. You've got, of course, the kind of like higher, what's it called? Holographic? No. Anyway, it's shiny. Let's just leave it at the easy words for today. It's been a long day. This is a Mermaid. It's in the kind of shiny colour, as I said. That it's kind of low back, and yeah, really nice swimsuit. So €12 I think is quite good value for this, and you want to pay that little bit more. It's the most expensive Pusheen item at the haul, and I think it's really worth it. And you want something that's going to be a little bit sturdy, you know, hold all the bits in for the swimsuit, and something that you're going to be able to rely on when you're in the swimming pool or on holidays, that it's not going to fall down or, you know, wash really nasty when you put it in the wash. So I definitely think that it is worth the money, and I'll give it a test out when I'm on holidays. I think it's really, really cute, and I'm glad I picked that up. So that is it, guys. That is the last item in my Pusheen haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this Pusheen vlog today. If you have, please do let me know by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and of course comment below if you've liked watching this video and if you'd like to see more videos like this. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Happy Pusheen shopping. Bye bye.